Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm here to give you an overview and a little bit of review of this rotatable telescope phone adapter that looks like this. And kind of what all it does, what this is, and how easy it is to install to a telescope, but also has information here that you can attach it to, let's say binoculars and kind of, or even single lens, or like a big telescope like I'm getting ready to share in this video. So full disclosure, this company did reach out to me and said, Ryan, if we send this to you, can you hook us up? Can you do a little review, a little unboxing, what all goes with this? Because it's kind of hard to explain in pictures. Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever will be provided to me affect this review, because I'm sure to keep it real. So this is what it looks like. Here comes in the box. And so what all do you get? You don't get the phone here, but you do get this. Pretty cool. It is a hard plastic material. Pretty stout. It does come with an optional, I would say this is like an eyepiece cushion. So if you're putting this over I would think, if you're putting this over a telescope lens or something like that, just to give you a little extra cushion on that. It does come with some additional foam pads, I guess, from a fitting it on there just perfect. So when you're putting this on, let's just say a telescope or something, it's going to be able to give you the kind of perfect view on the telescope and what you're trying to look at. Extremely simple to use, and this is how it works. And so what you do is you take your camera, and I'm going to change screens here and show you exactly how it connects to this. All right, so here we're showing how you're going to connect the cell phone to the actual mount. And so on the back side here, you can see this is where the camera is on the phone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this with the hole on this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the phone with the camera facing towards you, and we're gonna line up the hole with the camera. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in there like this. And then as you can see, there is the lens of the camera almost centered, and you can fine tune it with this. So we're gonna slide this back and forth. We have the camera there right where it needs to be. And then there's this locking pin right here, and we're gonna tighten this. And so now the camera is locked in place. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna decide, do we want to have it locked on like this or like this to our actual eyepiece, in this situation, the telescope. So easiest thing to do, it's really easy. This is squeeze. You squeeze this, and this is gonna grip right over the lens. And the best thing to do is have this already in camera mode, so you can line it up and have your telescope already pointing at something that you can make sure you're wanting to see. So we're lining it up, and then we're gonna adjust to make sure it fits on there perfect. So you can see now the clamp is hooked up, and I can see through the cell phone what exactly is showing in here. And the cell phone will automatically, if you're doing video or pictures or anything, you're good to go. And if you're gonna be on it for a very long period of time, you have the convenience of leaving this plugged in and charged. What's really cool, in the instructions, it tells you there is an app to download. Once you download the app, there's no sign in or anything. You just download it, connect it via Bluetooth. You turn this on, it comes with a built-in battery. I think you can replace the battery right here, a little battery packet right there, a little lithium. You turn it on, it goes into pairing mode, you pair it up and you're good to go. And then you can literally just take pictures. Just like that. And so when you're looking at the stars, the planets, the moon, whatever it is that you're taking pictures of with whatever device you have this connected to, this is super cool. The app allows you to it has like built-in filters, there's sharing features, all kinds of cool stuff in the app, just to kind of give you a little extra customization when it comes to using the app. You can download, you can share it to all your favorite social platforms or whatever. Very cool. The app does come with some different resolutions, whether it's vertical, horizontal, whatever it is, but really cool. This is just a very convenient thing, especially when you are taking astrophotography pictures, and once you have it in focus, you don't want to touch the telescope. You just want to do it remotely, because if you go to touch the telescope, even just to tap this, it's going to shake even a little bit, especially if you're looking at something very far away in deep space. You don't want to mess up your image. Very cool. The other thing that is cool about it is once you have this mounted on the telescope, you can rotate it to give you the best angle based on how you're trying to look at it. And so I've never seen that before. That's sort of a customizable feature. You're locked in and you're like, no, I'd rather look at it like this. Well, it's already locked into the telescope. You just turn it like that. Very, very convenient. So in summary, if you're looking for something to help you take pictures, utilize your phone. The mount is super easy. You don't have to do any screws. You just go whoosh, lock it in. This is only one screw thing here. It really just locks your phone in place. It's very sturdy. It's not flimsy, so you don't have to worry about it, not staying in place. And just this Bluetooth feature, taking pictures, just so convenient. Let me tell you. Hope this answers any question you might have about this very cool rotatable telescope phone adapter. And we'll talk to you soon.